Once you finish building your app and doing your basic testing inside the browser and possibly done some Ripple emulator testing, we're now ready to deploy it to the mobile device. Now, once you've deployed it there, you're often going to want to make many changes, and each time if you have to rebuild and deploy, that can really mount up and waste a lot of time. So what I'm going to show you now is what we call the switchApp trick. And what this does is it takes advantage of an API function called switchApp. This is in the Application Craft API. And all we do is call this and we supply just one parameter we need, which is the app ID. And we're going to give it the app ID of the same app, the app itself, which will have the effect of reloading it. So let me show you how we actually do that. I'm going to first of all go back out to the console. Here's our device demo app. I'm going to copy and paste this device ID. Go back into the IDE and I'm going to set up an event where I use this switch app. I could add a button, but I'm just going to put it here. So when we click on this label, there we are. I'm now going to say app.switchApp, and we'll put the app ID in quotes there, and I'm going to save it. Okay, so that's now set up, ready to switch app when I click on that label. So let's just go and run that. So imagine this is actually running now. You've deployed this as a native app to your device. When I click on device demo, you can see it's doing something. It's just reloading itself. Now let's make a modification. I'm going to leave this running here. Just go back to the IDE and change this to I've changed. I'm going to save this. I have to save this for this to take effect. That's saved. Now let's bring back our app. You can see it still says device demo. Now when I refresh, it says I've changed. So I can make these changes as many times as I like, and near instantly you can be testing those changes out on your device itself.